Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you an interesting AI template and a unique AI template where you can analyze your Excel sheet very better. So this template is especially designed to analyze the Excel sheet with comprises of more data. So this will provide a clear idea about what the Excel sheet try to say about, and also it will analyze all the important details present in that respective Excel sheet. You can ask any questions you want related with that Excel sheet. So it will generate perfect analysis for you. So it will be very helpful for you to make a good data analysis for your results and discussions. And also if you want to analyze any input data, so you can analyze them even better. So let us go on to today's video and explore the AI template and how you can use that for your research paper writing. So for that, first go to lmssolution.net.in. So in this LMS solution, you will be having an option called LMS AI. So just click on the option called LMS AI. Here you can see these are the different kinds of LMS AI templates. All these LMS AI templates are especially designed for research paper writing. So in this video, I am going to show you a template called Chat with Excel. You can just click on the option called Chat with Excel. This is the dashboard of this Chat with Excel template. So in this, you will be having this is called your Excel sheet. This Excel sheet comprises of irradiation, power, theoretical power, and then efficiency obtained. Based upon this, it is compared with the different kinds of methods. So this is what the Excel sheet is all about. You have to just upload this Excel sheet. First choose the file, hang that file in desktop. So select that respective file. So after that, just click on the option called upload. So it will take several seconds and it will upload the paper. Upload the Excel sheet. After uploading the Excel sheet, so you can ask any questions you want. So main findings of the paper, summarize the paper, explain the results. So I am going to give explain the results. So it is all about the results of different methods for the irradiation data and then theoretical and that is obtained efficiency. Based upon that, different methods are classified according to different irradiation condition. This is what that Excel sheet is all about. It will analyze that Excel sheet very better and deeply. So based upon that, it will provide perfect explanation for you. So here comes the content. The results present in the data set encompass various performance metrics related to efficiency and output of the system. So here you can see it will give a basic introduction. So after that, here it will give the irradiation values, and then power output, theoretical power, efficiency, and then comparative analysis of the data set, and then observation and insights, and then conclusion. So this is how it will give the analysis very better, and then results is explained very better. So if you want, you can ask further more questions. So what methodologies can be employed to optimize configuration for improved efficiency? What do variations of theoretical power impact actual output and efficiency of the system? So if you want to proceed this conversation further, you can ask the another question here, and then just click on the option called send. It will analyze the same content based upon the question what we have asked. Based upon that, it will provide answer for you. So this is how you can analyze your Excel sheet by asking questions again and again. So this is how you can analyze it even better. So here comes the methodologies for optimization, energy efficiency configuration. So statistical analysis and regression modeling, machine learning techniques, simulation and optimization algorithms, multi-objective optimization, experimental design and testing, conclusion. This is how you can ask another question to the same Excel sheet, and then you can proceed using these questions also. So by analyzing the Excel sheet very better like that, asking questions and then getting answers and then analyzing the same again and again, you can get a clear idea about what is the data set is all about, what is the results is all about. So if you find any Excel sheets for your references, so you can upload that Excel sheet and you can get a better idea about that Excel sheets, what that data is all about, and it will give as a data analytics for you. So this will be helpful for you to understand your concepts and also the results how you can take for your proposed research work. This is how you can analyze your Excel sheet using this respective template. So this is a unique template. No other AI tool is giving this kind of template by analyzing your Excel sheet. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, just click on the option called plans and pricing. So it leads to plans and pricing dashboard. The basic plan is just $199. You can access our LMS AI tool for 1 month. And you will be having an unlimited access to LMS AI templates for 1 month. And the next one is $999. So you can access our LMS AI tool for 1 year. and you will be having unlimited access to LMS AI templates for 1 year. You can access course on demand videos also. So this is how you can analyze your Excel sheet and make your research paper writing even better. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.